Turning now to our continuing coverage on a rescission bill that will pull back over $1 billion in funding from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
WBKU reporter Adam Ferguson spoke with local public broadcasting outlet, WKU Public Media, who shared their concerns about their own loss of funding due to the bill and the greater implications the decision will have on a national scale.
Rescission has been the word of the week in public radio and television stations across the country, including here in Bowling Green. For nearly 45 years, WKU Public Media has been the region's source for public radio and television, but now the organization faces major financial concerns that could shut them down.
I think what we're seeing with the rescission of funding for public media isn't necessarily an assault on Sesame Street as much as it is an attack on an independent press. And that has risks at stations that are commercial and private. It has risks clearly in newsrooms across the country that are part of the public media system. But the real risk is journalism everywhere.
Over $1 million in previously allocated funds were stripped from WKU Public Media alone, leaving them scrambling as the end of their current fiscal year draws closer.
We had planned it for our budget. And now we have, as we stand here, 68 days to figure out a plan we don't think replace it, because we don't think federal funding can be replaced, but to bridge the gap that of the hole that's been created.
Officials said 50 out of 60 total employees will lose their jobs if alternate funding is not secured, including 10 full-time positions and 40 student positions, all formerly funded through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.
The value that we see in the Commonwealth from public media is everything from early childhood education to expanded classroom opportunities, career preparedness, which is a lot of what we get to do here with college students working alongside our staff, and then life-saving emergency alerts. I've been telling people that we're defunded but not done, because the work is very important and has to continue. So we've got to figure out what is sustainable and what we can do to survive.
Reporting in Bowling Green, Adam Ferguson, WBKO News.
To combat the loss of funding, WKU Public Media is launching an emergency fund drive this week with a goal of raising an initial $500,000 with a community matching grant. For more information, you can go online at WKYUPBS.org.